Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we have discussed or start the Unit 2 of the Dbms. Unit 2 is your data model. So today we have discussed about the concept data independence. Okay. So let us discuss in detail. Data independence. Okay. Data independence can be explained using the three schema architecture. Three schema architecture concept we have discussed in Unit 1. Okay. All of you remember this? Okay. Data independence is defined as a property of Dbms that helps you to change the database schema at one level of a database system without requiring to change the schema at the next higher level. This is known as data independence. Okay. Data independence helps you to keep data separated from all programs that make use of it. Okay. That means data independence has the ability to change the database schema at one level of the database system without affecting to the next higher level or without change the schema at the next higher level. This concept is known as data independence. Okay. Data independence are two types. One is your logical data independence, another one is your physical data independence. Logical data independence and physical data independence are used in your three schema architecture. In the three schema architecture, there are three levels are there. One is your internal level, logical level, and last one is your user level or application level. Okay. In the internal level, internal schema is used. In the logical level, logical schema is used. In the external level or user level, external schema level is used. Okay. So data independence concept is used between three levels. Okay. So data independence are two types. One is your physical data independence, another one is your logical data independence. Physical data independence is used in between the internal level and logical level. Okay. And logical data independence is used between the logical level and user level. Okay. So let us discuss in detail. Okay. First we discuss about the why data independence concept is required or why data independence concept is important. Okay. Because it helps you to improve the quality of the data. Database system maintenance becomes affordable. Okay. Enforcement of standards and improvement in database security. For this purpose, data independence is used. And also, you don't need to alter data structure in application programs. It permits developers to focus on the general structure of the database rather than worrying about the internal implementation. Okay. It allows you to improve state which is undamaged or undivided. Okay. And also data independence is used for database incongruity is vastly reduced. And it also easily make modification in the physical level which is needed to improve the performance of the system. For this purpose, data independence is very important or data independence is used. Okay. Let us discuss types of data independence. First is your physical data independence. Physical data independence is defined as the ability to make changes in the structure of the lowest level of the database or the Dbms without affecting the higher level schema. Okay. Physical data, all of you remember this. physical data independence has the ability to make changes the structure of the lowest level of the DBMS or database management system without affecting the higher level schema. That means here the physical data independence has the ability to change the structure of the lowest level schema without affecting the higher level schema. Okay. Hence, modification in the physical level should not result in any changes in the logical or view level. That means in the internal level schema will be used, but not any changes or not effect to the logical level or view level. Okay. If we do any changes in the storage size of the database system server, then conceptual structure of the database will not be affected. अगर हम लोग स्टोरेज साइज को भी अगर चेंजेस कर रहे हैं तो भी कंसेप्चुअल स्ट्रक्चर में कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. ओके. फिजिकल डाटा इंडिपेंडेंस इज यूज्ड टू सेपरेट conceptual level from the internal level. That means here physical data independence always separate the conceptual level and internal level. Physical data independence occurs at the logical interface level. Okay. Physical data independence is achieved by modifying the physical layer to logical layer mapping. So this is called that PL or LL mapping. That means physical layer में और internal layer में ये changes हो रहा है, लेकिन logical layer में कोई भी effect नहीं आ रहा है. That means ये दोनों layer को mapping करके ये changes करता है, लेकिन next higher layer में कोई भी effect नहीं आता है. Okay. We must ensure that the modification we have done is localized. Okay. Some examples of the physical data independence. Due to physical data independence, any of the below change will not affect the conceptual layer or logical layer. What are the changes? Using a new storage device like hard drive or magnetic tape, modifying the file organization technique in the database, switching to different data structures, changing the access method, modifying the index, changes to compression technique or hashing algorithm, change of location of database from C drive to D drive. These changes are done but will not affect in the conceptual layer or logical layer. Okay. So this is the concept of about physical data independence. Next we discuss about the logical data independence. Logical data independence is defined as the ability to make changes in the structure of the middle level of the DBMS without affecting the highest level schema or application program. That means here logical data independence has the ability or has the capability to make changes the structure of the middle level or logical level, okay, but not affecting the highest level schema or application program or user level, okay. Hence, modification in the logical level should not result any changes in the view level or application program. That means logical level में अगर कोई भी modification हो रहा है तो कोई भी effect नहीं आएगा तुम लोगों का application program में, okay. Logical data independence is used to separate the external level from the conceptual view. External level और conceptual level view ये दोनों को ये separate करके रखता है. Okay. If we do any changes in the conceptual level or conceptual view of the data, then the user view of the data would not be affected. यहाँ पे कोई भी effect नहीं आएगा. Logical data independence occurs at the user interface level. तो logical data independence कहाँ पे काम कर रहा है? User interface level में ये use हो रहा है. Logical data independence is achieved by modifying the view layer to logical layer mapping, or we can also say that VL-LL mapping. Okay. Next we discuss about an example of changes under logical data independence. तो क्या क्या चेंजेस हो रहा है लॉजिकल डाटा इंडिपेंडेंस में? ड्यू टू लॉजिकल डाटा इंडिपेंडेंस एनी ऑफ द बिलो चेंज विल नॉट अफेक्ट टू द एक्सटर्नल लेयर और व्यू लेयर. तो क्या फर्स्ट क्या है? ऐड, मॉडिफाई और डिलीट ए न्यू एट्रीब्यूट, entity or relationship is possible without rewrite or existing application program. तो कोई भी हम लोग न्यू एट्रीब्यूट ऐड कर सकते हैं, उसको चेंजेस कर सकते हैं और चाहें तो डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. उसी तरह एंटिटी हो या रिलेशन हो उसको भी हम लोग ऐड, मॉडिफाई, डिलीट कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेकिन ये एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम में कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर मर्जिंग टू रिकॉर्ड्स इनटू वन. अगर हम लोग कोई मर्ज भी कंबाइन भी कर रहे हैं तो भी वहाँ पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. लास्ट वन इज ब्रेकिंग एन एग्जिस्टिंग रिकॉर्ड इनटू टू और मोर रिकॉर्ड्स. सो दिस इज द concept of data independence. Data independence are two types. One is your physical data independence, another one is your logical data independence. So that's all in this class. In the next class we have discussed about the types of data model. Okay, a concept of data model. Okay.